Hey, so if you want to collect data easily in 2026, creating forms in SharePoint is a really simple and powerful way to do it. I'll walk you through it step by step. All right, first, open SharePoint in your browser and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're inside, go to your site and create a new list or open an existing one where your form data will be stored. Now add columns to your list like name, email, date, or any other information you want to collect. These columns will become your form fields. Next, click on the new button in your list to open the default SharePoint form. This is where users will enter their data. You can customize the form by rearranging fields, hiding unnecessary ones, or adjusting how it looks for better usability. For more advanced features, you can also use Microsoft Forms and connect it with SharePoint for better design and easier sharing. Once your form is ready, share it with your team or users using a link or permissions. Yeah, every time someone submits the form, the data will automatically be stored in your SharePoint list. Just make sure to review and organize the data regularly so everything stays clean and useful. So, yeah, that's how you can create SharePoint forms in 2026. It's a simple way to collect and manage data efficiently. And hey, if this helped, do like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Thanks for watching.